Okay, welcome to another video. All right. We are at the riverside where you have hundreds and hundreds of fishes that, not quite our final destination. Fallen coconuts that are growing right here. Pretty dope. Nobody cares. Oh, let me fix my boy's shoe. Say man. Say man. Yeah. This place is super dope. Dope. For business people, those who are coming to Malaysia, or those who want to do business here in Malaysia, there are two main business that you can do in Malaysia. Palm oil export or rubber export. You have a huge market here in Malaysia. I mean export. You buy and export from other countries. But there are other things you need to import to Malaysia. I'm going to find out what you can actually import to Malaysia and sell. I would rather go out for a safari ride, slowly find out, right? So stay tuned. And right now we want to go have a little fun. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe. Leave your comment below. Let me know what you would like to see in Malaysia. And those fishes are actually protected by the Sabah Malaysia government. You can catch, you can eat those fish. Let me show you fish, real fish. Let me take off my shoes, man. Protect the environment, yeah? Protect climate. Love you guys. I really hyper. I'm here with my boys, but they're a little scared. They're a little scared of the fish. So let's give the fish something to eat. No fighting, no fighting, no fighting, no fighting, no fighting, no fighting, no fighting. Come on, no fighting, no fighting. No fighting, all right? Take it slowly, take it slowly, take it slowly, take it slowly, slowly. No fighting, come on. Oh man, no fighting, no fighting, come on. We're all gonna have fish food, all right? We're all gonna have fish food. We're all gonna have fish food. We're all gonna have fish food. No fighting. All right, you have to come out. This is for you, all right? Okay. All right, okay. All right. Hey, you wanna come feed the fish? Come on, feed the fish. Come on, feed the fish. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on, take this one. Take this one. Take this one. Come on, take. Feed the fish. Yeah. All right, feed the fish. Yeah, that's good. One of the most lovely and beautiful creatures. Love you guys. Hope you all guys. Come on, take it slowly. Take it slowly. Take it slowly. Man, this is real. This is real life. This is real life, man. Real life. How friendly they are. They help protect our environment, right? So I'm strictly against those who against our nature. The animals. Some animals are already extinct just because you have people who have no conscience for nature. Man. The young ones, they stay right inside the water, and the adult, they come closer. Look at that. Look at that. Take and give the fish. Yeah, see? Yeah, they are happy. Yeah, they are happy. Come on, take. Give to the fish. The fish are happy. The fish. 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 Yeah. Yeah. It's okay. 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 Don't be afraid. Don't touch the fish. The fish are friendly. They want to eat something. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be afraid. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be afraid. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't be afraid. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. It's enough. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stand on the water. Come on. Come on. The best scenes ever. So that is it. Stay tuned for our next destination. We're going to show you more here in Malaysia. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Next destination.
Don't get away.
我想。